Hello again. This is part 4. In this part, we're going to focus on the second concept to be covered in this chapter, which is reliability. To help you understand the concept of reliability, I would like to give a simple example. Can we use a tape measure to measure the length of this table? The answer is yes. Of course, we can use a measuring tape to tell how long this table is. This is the concept of validity. The tape measure is a valid tool. If we use the same tape measure to measure the table's length 3 times, do you think we can get the same result? The answer again is yes. So we can say that this tape measure is a reliable tool. This is the concept of reliability. What about reliability in research? Well, Kumar says that reliability is an instrument's ability to provide similar results when used repeatedly under similar conditions. Coming back to the example, we use the measuring tape to measure the table from the left to the right. We can see the same results after repeating this measuring activity. Reliability can also refer to how accurately our instrument measures the concept under investigation. To cite Cresswell, 2012, Cresswell explains that reliability refers to when the same instrument provides stable, consistent scores. In fact, we cannot have exactly the same scores, even when we use the same instrument among the same respondents. For this reason, Cresswell suggests that the results should be nearly the same when we use the instruments at different times under similar conditions. Now, let's move on to some factors that can affect the reliability of our research instrument. The first one is how we word the question, that is, the words we use in the questions. Some words may introduce different interpretations among our respondents. Next is the physical setting. In the case of interview, the room where we don't feel comfortable, our interviewee may not be able to provide as many responses as possible. Of course, the interviewee's feeling and our mood can also affect the interaction in the interview, hence their responses. Moreover, the way we interact with the interviewee can affect the interview responses. The regression effect of an instrument, resulting in 2 negative or 2 positive attitudes toward the issue. The last factor is that, when we use the same tool many times, the respondents may experience the regression effect. For example, they may develop 2 negative or 2 positive attitudes toward the issue. Now we've come to the end of part 4. In the next part, we're going to learn about some methods of determining the reliability of an instrument in quantitative research.